Stranded in the UK and wondering if your Gcash can still be your financial sidekick? Let's break down how to make Gcash work for you in the UK. Even though it's primarily designed for the Philippines, first off, the most common use is international remittances. You can directly send money from your Gcash wallet to family and friends in the Philippines. Simply use the Send Money feature in your Gcash app and input the recipient's details. Remember, this requires a stable internet connection. Gcash partners with international remittance services, providing another avenue for sending money. Look for options like MoneyGram or Western Union through the app. These often have lower fees than directly sending from UK banks. Here's the catch: you likely won't be able to directly use Gcash for local transactions in the UK. The app is primarily intended for use within the Philippines, so don't expect to pay for your coffee with it. If you have a Philippine SIM card still active and registered with Gcash, you might be able to access some features, but this can be unreliable. Roaming charges could apply, so be mindful of data usage. Workarounds: your best bet is to treat Gcash as a remittance tool. Load your Gcash wallet through your linked bank accounts, and then transfer the funds to your loved ones in the Philippines. So, while Gcash won't replace your UK banking app, it's a convenient way to send money back home. Keep those connections strong, even across continents. Found this helpful? Give us a like and subscribe for more Gcash tips and tricks. See you in the next video.